a 6-foot African-American man.
All of the debate, the shouting, the name-calling, and the endless stream of numbers involving the nation's healthcare system will come down to one vote on the House floor, apparently, later this week. A handful of Democrats, actually a couple dozen really, on the fence now, will decide the fate of healthcare reform, with Republicans united against the overhaul. Steve Scalise is a firm no vote.
They think that they can fool the American people.
No matter, a 9 o'clock Monday morning meeting draws dozens of opponents intent on letting their congressman know precisely where they stand.
We want the bill to be passed in pieces. We don't want this huge monstrosity passed.
Only that big stack of papers do they want rammed down our throats.
With the final push on, President Obama was in full campaign mode in Strongsville, Ohio.
The status quo on health care is simply unsustainable.
The president tried to put a human face on the debate, telling the story of hometown cancer patient Natoma Canfield.
She expects to face more than a month of aggressive chemotherapy. She's racked with worry not only about her illness, but about the costs of the tests and the treatment that she's surely going to need to beat it.
I've fallen behind, and now I have no health care, and now I'm going to have a humongous hospital bill.
Self-employed, Canfield has no health insurance, few prospects to pay her ballooning bill. Hospitalized since her cancer flared up a week ago.
I can't tell you how many people have come in just since I've been into the hospital, into this room, to tell me, you know, that they have a story just like mine. Some of them have stories even worse than mine.
We can't have a system that works better for the insurance companies than it does for the American people.
The president warns failure to pass reform will add to the already exploding federal debt, and he predicts escalating costs will rob millions of their coverage.
And a lot of small businesses are just going to drop their coverage altogether. That's already what's been happening.
Critics say the Senate bill that is now the center of the debate fails to address rising costs and saddles small businesses with taxes hidden in the administration estimates of savings. About the only thing the two sides agree on, this week's House vote will be razor close.
Clearly they don't have the votes yet, otherwise they would have taken it.
In order for Democratic leaders to win, they can afford 37 maximum defections. 37 of their members can vote no, and the bill would still pass. Right now, the Capitol Hill newspaper, The Hill, says there are 36 firm, leaning, or likely no votes among Democrats. 71 other House Democrats are listed as undecided.
Amanda